Opposition principals who might exit the alliance before the next election. The race to the next general election is taking shaping, with opposition expected to lock horns with the government at the polls. Key members of the opposition are DCP Party Leader Rigathi Gachagua, Wiper Patriotic Front Leader Kalonzo Musyoka, People's Liberation Party Leader Martha Karua, DAP-K Party Leader Eugene Wamalwa, Jubilee Deputy Party Leader Dr. Fred Matiang'i, DP Party Leader Justin Muturi, and Trans Nzoia Governor George Natembeya. EBK Online News, subscribe.